Hello, J Heim Studios here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Minecraft server with a D-Link router. This was suggested by a Minecraft man, or Minecraft Nation 1, because it's actually very different from other routers, and if you don't know how to do it, it can probably be pretty complicated. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, open your command prompt. Go down to your start menu and type in CMD. Once it loads up, in this is your command prompt. Type in ipconfig, ipconfig, and scroll to the very top, and you'll find your default gateway and your IPv4 address. Your default gateway, if you're a D-Link user, will be 192.168.0.1. Then go to an internet browser, and in the URL, type that number in. And if you have a newer router, it'll take you to this page. If you don't, it'll just have you log in. If you have an older one, the password will be blank. If you have a newer one, the password will either be admin or blank, or unless you've changed it. Then go to advanced and scroll down to virtual servers. Now, if you have an older router, it won't look like this. I'll show what that looks like in a minute. If you have a newer one, just type in the name MineCraft. This is just for your reference. Then in the public port, type 25565. The protocol, you want both. And private port, find the computer that you use. Mine is CathPC, and then click the arrow and it'll insert it for you. And the private port is 25565, just as the same as the public port. Schedule, always inbound filter, allow all, that's very important, and then save this, checkmark it, don't forget to checkmark, and then save the settings. And, well, now I'll show you the older server. Now, I'm sorry, I don't have an older router, so I can't get video of it. These are just screenshots, but I'll help you out. Go to the Advanced tab once you log in. And, by the way, you're going to need your IPv4 address. This is this. That's this right here in the command prompt. IPv4, mine is 192.168.0.102. So just type all this stuff in. Minecraft is the name. Private IP is your IPv4. Protocol type both. Private port 25565. Schedule allow always. Public port 25565. And yeah, that should help you out. I'm sorry if it doesn't. I don't actually have an older router to help you out, but anyway, once you set it up, just open a new tab or whatever while it's saving, and go to minecraft.net. And click download. And now when you're on here, just go to the very bottom, and you'll find two links. Click minecraftserver.exe if you have Windows. I'm not going to show you how to set up .jar in this. You can find other ones that'll tell you how to do that. But this is just basically for D-Link users to set up their port forwarding. So I'm just going to create a new folder for this. I'm going to call it Minecraft Server. Oh, I can't do that. I already have one. Alright, I'll call it MC Server Test Tutorial. And so I'm going to open that, and I'm going to open my downloads. You're going to drag and drop the Minecraft server program into your new folder. Don't open it just yet. So I'm going to close my downloads now, and then double click on the server, and it'll run. And these messages right here, warning, properties does not exist, ban list, that should be there for the first time you start it up. If you have another error that says failed to bind port, that's a problem. Port forwarding or virtual server is off or something. And then you'll see it's generating the world right now. That's what that's doing. And there's some new files that have been created after you start it up. That's why you don't want to open it in the downloads. So once it's done, I'm just gonna type stop and hit enter. It'll save it and stop it without any problems. So after that's been run and the world's generated, right click the server.properties file. Right click it and open with Notepad. And here you can edit the properties of the server. And so, like, say if you want a free build and you want it peaceful, you can disable monsters by spawn monsters false. Don't edit the server IP. In the server port 25565, it should match up with the one you typed in when we set up the port forwarding virtual server. And again, do not edit the server IP. You can screw a lot of things up. And so I'm going to save it and close it. And I can now run the server and get on Minecraft. So start up your server. And open Minecraft. And once the server's up, just type in your IPv4 address, and it should save you in from the last time you use it over and over again, so you don't have to keep typing it. And just connect. Logging in, downloading terrain. Sorry for the bad view, but I can't have Fraps work for some reason. It just drops my frame rate too much. So, this is my world. It's a desert and snowy. Weird combo. So I'm going to disconnect, and only you can join on that IPv4. If you want other people to connect to you, this is what you'll have to do. So right now I'm just going to stop the server, and I'm going to go to the internet, and I'm going to go to whatsmyip.org. Anything like that will work. Anything generic like whatismyip.com, that will all work. And so it'll tell you your IP address at the top. Your IP address is dot. I'm not going to tell you because I don't want you connected to my server, but this is what you give your friends, and they'll be able to connect to you. And that's about it. So if you have any problems, technical difficulties, just message me on the comments. Don't email me if you find my emails. But that's about it, and I hope you get your server working. Good luck, and I hope this helped.